The Rise Freedom Rolling Kiosk. The ultimate mobile workstation. 2 articulating arms provide 12 inches of extension. 2 VESA patterns compatible with any of our custom-made enclosures or universal tablet solutions. Tilt, pan and swivel for the perfect viewing angle. The stand adjusts to true sitting and standing height. Optional accessories such as keyboard shelf, basket, lockable utility box and battery pack help you to create your own mobile workstation. Locking casters keep your wheeled stand in an anchored position. The Rise Freedom Rolling Kiosk by MacLocks. Visit us at maclocks.com.